Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a studio quality deepfake videos using Akool AI. So let's begin the video. In this tutorial, we'll use Akool AI. Akool AI provides many AI tools for content creation, such as text-to-video, AI face swap, 3D talking avatars, and more. Open your web browser and go to Akool AI. Once you are on the website, click on Join Our Pre-Trial button. Click on the Login button and sign in with your Google account. After logging into the account, choose Face Swap. Now click on the Choose Files button from the dashboard. Select your photo, open it. After it finishes uploading and detecting faces in your photo, the swap window will automatically open. You can use a pre-made face template or use your own photo. To do that, upload your photo or face image you want to use by clicking this plus button and select your photo. After the upload and paste detection process finishes, you can find your new page template in the page selection list. Select your page template. You can activate page enhancement mode by enabling the page enhance option. Now click the high quality page swap button to start swapping. To see the result, click on My Library. Click the download button to save the result. Now let's try to create a deepfake video. From the dashboard, click the Choose Files button. Select the video you want to use. Wait for the upload and page detection process to complete. You can use a pre-made page template or use your own photo. Select your page template. Now click the high quality page swap button to start the swapping process. Go to the My Library. After the swapping process is finished, the download button will appear under your video. Click the download button to save the video. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.